Have you ever wanted to check the validity of a Word document and the content within it to check whether it's been generated using AI? Well, I'm going to show you a few ways how you can check, but before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a web browser opened up here. It's Google Chrome, and the website I'm currently on, it's called quillbot.com/AI-content-detector. Now this is a free tool you can use to check whether content you have or been sent by a learner is or has been generated using AI. Now the content I want to check is on this Word document here. So this was the file I had been sent by a learner, and it was on the importance of digital skills. Now there's a few ways to check this to see whether it's been generated by AI or not. And one thing I do is I use a plethora of free AI tools to check content, but there's another way which I'm going to show you in a second. So the first thing I'll do is I'll copy the content here like this, all the content, right click copy, go into my web browser and Quillbot. Now in there you can add at least 80 words to analyze. So I'm going to paste this text in here. So it's pasted roughly 80 words, or the whole document actually is 423 words. Now, and then what you simply do is click on detect AI here. Now it's come back straight away on the right side in this pane saying 100% of this text is likely created by AI. So you can see here it's scored this AI generated, it's given this a score of 100%. So you can go back to the learner and say, look, the likelihood in terms of the work that you've sent has been generated by AI. But you're not 100% sure really, but there's another check I do as well, and that is to check the document that's been sent to me, because there's lots of AI tools out there like your ChatGPTs who create the content but also create Word documents for you using Python script. So what I want to do is go back to that Word document and check to see who the author of this Word document originally was. Now the way to check the author of this Word document, because my suspicions are this Word document has been generated, this actual file has been generated by AI, and the content within it is also being generated by AI. I want to check the author to make sure to see whether my suspicions are correct. So in the top left hand corner you click on File. This is to check the author. On the left side, scroll down the menu option, go to Info here. Click on Info. Now on the right here, you can see the related people section. Now in there, it has got the author. Now this author here, Python-docx, straight away says to me that this document was created using an AI platform called ChatGPT. The reason I know this is because I've used ChatGPT to create documents for me, and that's what it puts in the author name. It's basically using a Python script using AI to generate the content. So that's just a quick and easy way to check and see, using free tools out there. There's a plethora of free tools out there to check the content of a document itself, but B, to also check to see the file itself to see whether it was generated by AI. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.